Hey y'all, Charles Smith here. Hey y'all, Charles. Hey y'all, it's me, Charles Smith. So today we got 777, two 777s right here. So I'm gonna see how fast this train can go and see where our destination is gonna be, or we could derail it. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel right now for a fire and get on you. You ready? Okay, now you can see the outside of the train now. Here we go. Nice song. Horn. There we go. And here we go. We speeding up. As you can see, guys, you hear the bell? We need these train bells. You actually look at it inside. That's real like this is a real movie. And that's like the real movie. Right, it had buttons over there. Everything. You got the controls. The part where he put out the independent brakes. And they had the train. And then that was the train. Had one off. See, you can see how the engine worked like the first movie. The movie of Unstoppable Train. Yeah, this train is on Unstoppable Train. Look how speed we're going. We about to cross to the city. I call this city New York. I call this city New York. The train, there go the train. Whee! Now y'all see the car across the gates? So today we only got not too much cars. We gonna cross all around the world. Let me show you the map. We're gonna cross right over here. And then we're gonna cross, and then we're gonna do this. That is, there's unhook the freight cars. Then go over here to our final destination. That's a good plan? Okay. Now enjoy the video. Tell Dre he owe me because I watched this video play. Look at the back. There goes 777 going around the curve to the big mountains. I call it the big mountains because we go into the mountains. Always going to the moment that I'm locking the door when it's never locked. He said he couldn't unlock it, he couldn't open the door. There we go. Whee! The train's going too much speed. The train getting speed. It offered 49, 4 miles per hour. Getting speed. 50, 51, 52, 50, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44,